In this video, there's another examples of application of scalar product. Alright, let's look at how to solving this question. Okay, they have already given that these 3 points, right? These 3 points are the vertices of a triangle. Alright, so means that if I drawing just illustration, okay, so it's a form a triangle, and means that if they say that this is a vertex of triangle, means these 3 points are not collinear, right? They are not collinear. So 2, 5, -4, right? And Q, right? Q will be 3, 4, 3, and R to be -4, 5, 1. Right? So it's forming a triangle. So it means that at first the question is asking you to find the PQ dot with PR. Right? So they ask you to find the PQ dot with PR. So as you know that we have to, before we do the dot product, we have to find the vector PQ, the direction vector from P to Q, which can be write as the position vector of Q minus with the position vector of P. Right? So position vector of Q, which will be 3, 4, 3, minus with position vector of P will be 2, 5, -4. Right? So calculate, you're getting 3 minus 2, you have 1. 4 minus 5, you have -1. Right? 3 minus positive, you have 7. So it means that, alright, 1, -1, and 7. So then you have your vector PQ. So now we have to find the vector PR as well. So, okay, the vector PR will be the position vector for coordinate R minus with the position vector for P. So position vector of point R will be -4, 5, 1 minus with position vector of P, 2, 5, -4, which giving you -6, 0, 5, right? So you have PQ, PR. So now you have to find the dot product between these two vectors. So, okay, so you take PQ dot with PR. So vector PQ, right? So 1, -1, 7, dot product with -6, 0, 5, right? So we just do dot product, very simple, x1, x2, so 1 times -6, right? 1 times -6 plus with -1 multiplied with 0 plus with 7 multiplied with 5. So which give you -6, right? -6 plus with 35, right? Plus with 35. Then you're getting the value of 29, right? So, and so that you know that PQ, PR, after you have calculated, you're getting the value of 29, right? Okay, let's look at the next part of this question. Alright, okay, let's move with part B. The question is asking you to hence, right? They use the word hence. Find the angles QPR. So it means that you have to use the result of the PQ dot PR, right? This result here. So as you know that this is forming a triangle, right? It's a triangle. So with, let's say this is P, Q, and R, right? Now you have PQ dot PR. You have a vector PR, right? You have vector PR and you have vector PQ, right? You have vector PQ. So with these two vectors, I can find the angles between P, Q, P, and R. Is the one of the interior angle of a triangle. So how to find this angle? So we have all the information here. Alright, as we want to apply the definitions of dot product, which will be A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cosine theta, right? Cosine theta. So as the A and B here is referred to, as the value of A and B here is referred to A, B, alright? Or this is A and this is your B. So this means that A and B, right? PQ and PR. So PQ dot PR, alright? Okay, so we can rewrite this to be replace the A with PQ dot with PR to be the magnitude of PQ, magnitude of PR, cos theta, right? So if we want to find the angles, right? The angles here, the theta here is the angle QPR, alright? So we apply this formula, the definition. PQ dot PR, we already have the value, right? PQ dot PR, which is 29. So we replace this to be 29, which is equals to the magnitude of PQ, right? Magnitude of the vector PQ, which is the square root of 1 square negative 1 square plus with 7 square, followed by PR, which is negative 6 square plus with 0 square plus with 5 square, cos theta, right? Cos theta. So what we want is the cos theta, the angle, right? This angle here. So we're going to evaluate this. 29 equals to, so which will give you square root of 51 and square root of 61, and cos theta will be 29 divided by 51 square root of 61, right? And lastly, you want to find the angles. The theta here is referred to the angles QPR, right? So will be cos of 29 divided by square root of 51 square root of 61. So let's see what's the angle, which will give you 58.7 degree, right? So you know this will be 58.7 degree, right? So if you want to know all the interior angle, okay, so this is, I just teach you concept how to find one of the angle. So if you want to find the angle that's subtended to Q, so you will need to find QP, QR, means that you're going to take dot product of QP dot QR, and you find the QP and QR, the magnitude, and you can, using this formula, and you can find the angle, another angle here. So with two angle, you can find another angle by taking 180 minus these two angle, then you're getting the other angle. Then complete everything total up must be 180, right? So this is the way we apply the formula for dot product to find the interior angle between, if just given two sides, you can find the angle between the two vectors, all right? That's all for this video. Hope you can understand the application of the definitions of the cosine dot product to find the angles. Alright.